in the diagram of triangle KLM, points O and N are on ML segment and KL segment respectively, such that KM is parallel to NO. These two segments are parallel. If MO is 16, OL is 8 and NO is 4, what is the length of segment KM? We have given that segment KM is parallel to NO. If we extend this segment KM, we have line KM and line NO. These two lines are parallel and they are cut by the line ML, we can say. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the interior angles are congruent. So this angle is congruent to that angle. And because we have here vertical angles and we know that vertical angles are congruent, so here we have also the same angle. And now we have that angle KML is congruent to NOL. What else? Angle KLM is congruent to angle NLO. So we can say that by angle-angle similarity postulate, this triangle KLM is similar to triangle NLO. Let me write this. We have given that KM segment is parallel to NO segment. This was given. And these two parallel lines are cut by transversal ML, we can write. So angle KML is congruent to angle, let's put here that we have point P, to angle MOP. These two angles, like I said, they are congruent. They are alternate interior angles. And angle also MOP is congruent to angle NOL because they are vertical angles. So we can write angle MOP is congruent to angle NOL because they are vertical angles. And like I said also that KLM angle KLM is congruent to angle NLO. These two angles are the same angles, so they are congruent. So we can write that by angle similarity. Triangle KLM is similar to triangle NLO. Because this triangle is similar to that triangle, it means that the corresponding side lengths are proportional. So we can write that the triangles are similar. So the corresponding side lengths are proportional. So we can write that ML segment to OL segment is equal to KM over NO. So we have that ML to OL is equal KM to NO. We have to always, when we start from the longer side in the numerator, on the left side we have to put the longest side in numerator on the right side. KM is longer than NO and ML is longer than OL. So ML, we have that this is 16 because ML is MO plus OL. So we can write that this is MO plus OL over OL. This is equal KM to NO. Now we can substitute MO by 16 plus OL is 8 over OL is 8. This is equal KM is our unknown and NO is 4. So we have 16 plus 8 is 24 over 8. This is KM to 4. 24 divided by 8 is 3 is equal KM to 4. Now I will multiply both sides by 4 to reduce the numerator. And we have 4 times 3 is 12 is equal 4 and 4 we can reduce KM. So we calculate the segment KM has length 12 units. This is my solution.